All right, meal prep is done. I made some chicken thighs. I chopped up small pieces, used our roast, still hot, roast turkey seasonings, and a bit of nourish broth. I've got some rice here going, and I'm going to do better than beef broth as the flavor for that. Then I had some fun and made these half and half cookies. So they're dark chocolate on one in essence and then regular. So basically I used dark chocolate chips for the regular one, and then for the browner chocolatey version I used dark and creamy hot chocolate as the cocoa and some white chocolate chips. Made them pretty big so they're nice and fluffy there. I actually got some apple cider in here mold that I cooked up, and now I'm going to turn into ice cubes to make some fancy drinks. And then for lunches I got some Swedish meatballs going here. So there we go, some dinner for a couple nights, lunches for a few days, and dessert. Okay, meal prep is done, cleaned, ready to go. Now I'm enjoying my coffee and out here on the balcony enjoying a little bit of sun with Max.